guys, it's Brittany Hoffman. Welcome back to my channel. I'm going to be doing another makeup tutorial. Don't mind my daughter over here. Say hi! This is my daughter, Faye. Say, I'm Faye. She's shy. Okay. Anyway, let's get to it. I always start off. Where did you put my lid at? Alright, whatever. Alright. My Rare Beauty Primer by Selena Gomez. I always use this first. I say it's what you wanted. Don't say it's what you need. I say it's what you wanted. Your whole life I tried, and now we're getting older. She loves Oliver Tree. I tried, and now I'm getting closer. Yeah, thank you. Mommy needs this now. And then, as I said in my last video, I always use this to cover my acne. I've always had acne problems, which sucks, and I feel like I have tried everything to get rid of it. Okay, watch out. There we go. I'm not searching for a miracle. Here we go. There we go. I'm not searching for a miracle. Your whole life I tried, and now I'm getting older. Your whole life I tried, and now I'm getting closer.
Hello? Yo, Ronnie, how are you, dude? No, I'm not doing anything right now. You trying to take some bombers back at the crib? Sick little girl. Also, I forgot to tell you, but...
Mine! That's mine. Ah! This is the only crappy thing about having expensive makeup. Thank you. Keep turning all of my songs. Like I said before, life with the as I said in my last video, Beauty, full coverage, long lasting. I love this. Wow, girl. You gonna talk? Say hi. Say I'm Faye. Okay. She thinks everything is her. I always make sure to get my neck. I'm just weird like that. I gotta make sure like my neck, because like I don't know, like I'm tan, and I feel like I just need to make sure like my neck and my face is like similar to my body color. What do you think? Sorry guys, I just had to work.
My topper thinks everything is hers. Gracie, where's Sissy? Sorry, I don't really like sponges. I always use brushes. The comment, you're using the wrong makeup brush. I know what certain makeup brushes use for what. I use basically what I want. Gracie! Babe, bring her to me.
It has 2 speeds, a limited warranty, and with Instant Karma, it's the best piece of lawn and garden equipment in the world because it's free. When you pay with Credit Karma money, you could win Instant Karma only with Credit Karma money.
Gracie, come here. Come here. Come here. That is my 10-month-old daughter, Gracie. We're big Oliver Tree fans, so. Boogie! And Doja Cat. Hi! Oh. Say hi! This was always want to touch everything and put everything in her mouth. Oh, stop it. I'm just showing your sissy off. Now she wants me back. She is a booby baby. Alright. Okay, so I'm just gonna kind of like bring this up a little bit. A bit bigger. And I know how some people are very against breastfeeding for God knows why. There we go. That could be our topic of the day, breastfeeding. I just don't see how people, you know, females can walk around with their boobs out or their butt out, but a mother can't feed her child. I've had some mild experiences while breastfeeding my second daughter, especially out in public and when I'm being respectful about it and whatever. I just feel that it's ridiculous that people even complain like they need to be minding their own business. A mother is feeding her child, and that is that. Also, I just finished writing a book, and that I am in the process of getting it edited, and then that'll be published. I'll give you guys a little description, you know, about my book. It's basically, you know, everything that has ever happened in my life, like the trauma that I've ever been through. I'm just gonna put it this way. I'm not gonna say my title, but just because there's certain people out there who are livid right now that I'm even writing this book. But it's everything that has ever happened in my life. And all the trauma that I had as a child. You know, I'll put it this way. It's definitely things that a child should not have to go through. It's going to be very interesting. It's going to give people like thrill and chills, I feel like. But I definitely feel like it is going to be one of the best books out there. And I'm pretty excited to, I guess, pursue that and pursue my book. I don't know why that keeps getting blurry. But, yeah, I appreciate you guys coming and watching my video today. Get, you know, a little get ready with me. My makeup, hear a little about my book and whatnot, and meet my kiddos. So, yeah, definitely like and subscribe, and I will be back on probably tomorrow, so stay tuned. Thank you.